dalawa. Now, next is the fourth. This cord symbolizes an infinite bond of love you share that keeps your relationship strong in the face of adversity, as well as that you are both are no longer two but one in marriage. May this cord remind you to face your life together courageously, and to give mutual support to each other in carrying out your duties and responsibilities as a married couple. And may your love grow stronger and bind you closer to the Lord. Now, next is the coins. Ito na yung coins. I can explain better. Make all the even better. Takbo yung coin better.
Yes, after. Maybe after. Okay? Thank you so much, Pam.
Salamat. Pwede mo palagpan natin yung coin better natin.
Yeah. Clap, clap, clap.
First one. The points. The points are a reminder of good stewardship for all couples, that they will mutually support each other, their children, and the world around them. In today's modern world, the symbolism of the wedding ones represents a promise of prosperity in a couple's marriage, as well as a promise to always protect each other's love. O, Jenna, makihawakan ng points. Say this word.
Maria Victoria,
Maria Victoria,
I give you
I give you
as a pledge
a pledge
my dedication
of my dedication
to your welfare.
to your welfare.
This is Maria Victoria, no? Repeat after me, Maria Victoria. I accept them
I accept them,
and in the same way
and in the same way,
pledge my dedication to you.
pledge my dedication to you,
The care of our home
the care of our home
and the welfare
and the welfare
of our children.
of our children.
Pwede natin palakpakan yung... Meron ba yung unity candle?
Now, let us go to the unity candle. So, we ask friends or family members na pwede magsindi ng kandila. Ito muna nasa gitna, and nasa gitna, ano pa yung kukuha ng ilaw? Ito muna ang sindi niyo. Kasi yung dalawang nasa gilid kung sila kukuha ng ilaw sa gitna. Unity candle ceremony. This candle you're about to light is a candle of marriage. It's quite magical because it represents the light of two people in love. This candle before you is a candle of commitment because it takes two people working together to play. This candle is also a candle of unity because both must come together, giving a spark themselves to create a new life. As you light this candle today, may the brightness of flame shine up for your eyes. May it give you courage and reassurance in darkness, warmth and safety in the cold, strength and joy in your bodies, minds, and spirit. And may your union and marriage be forever blessed. Amen. Amen.